Feeling the pinch? Discover 5 side hustles to boost your income. First, consider remote exam proctoring. Supervise online tests from anywhere. Next, unleash creativity by selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Third, transform study notes into flashcards using Anki or Quizlet, then market them. Fourth, launch a resume or Notion template business. Professionals seek effective tools. Finally, offer portfolio audits for designers. Your feedback can be invaluable. These opportunities offer flexible ways to earn extra income and build skills. Are you seeking a flexible way to earn income from the comfort of your home? Remote exam proctoring offers a compelling opportunity to do just that, ensuring the integrity of online examinations. This vital role involves monitoring students during tests to prevent cheating and meticulously verifying their identity, upholding academic honesty in a digital age. To excel in remote proctoring, key skills include sharp attention to detail, strong technical proficiency, and clear communication abilities. You can acquire these skills through various online resources, dedicated training modules provided by proctoring platforms, and even by practicing active observation. Starting this side hustle requires a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, a webcam, and a quiet workspace. The application process typically involves submitting your resume, completing an online assessment, and undergoing a background check to ensure trustworthiness. Many reputable platforms offer remote proctoring opportunities, connecting you with educational institutions and certification bodies. These platforms provide the necessary tools and training to perform your duties effectively and professionally. Some individuals struggle due to technical glitches, difficulty managing test-taker behavior, or maintaining focus during long sessions. Overcoming these challenges involves thorough technical preparation, clear communication with test-takers, and developing strong self-discipline. Regular breaks and a dedicated workspace can significantly enhance your performance and reduce potential burnout. The potential earnings from remote exam proctoring can vary, typically ranging from $15 to $25 per hour, depending on the platform and your experience. Factors like the number of exams you proctor, the complexity of the tests, and your availability directly influence your total income. With consistent effort and a professional approach, this side hustle can provide a steady and rewarding income stream. Embrace the opportunity to contribute to academic integrity while building a flexible, high-paying, and profitable remote career. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on creating and selling digital products as a side hustle, perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. To excel in the digital marketplace, prioritize skill development in content creation, marketing, and technical proficiency. Content creation involves generating valuable material, encompassing writing, video production, and graphic design, often enhanced by AI tools. Understanding marketing fundamentals, SEO, and social media promotion is crucial for product visibility. Depending on your digital product, skills in coding, web design, or specific software usage might be essential. Resources like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer excellent avenues for acquiring these vital skills. Begin your journey by brainstorming and conducting market research to identify viable digital product concepts and validate demand. Define a specialized niche with market potential, pinpointing customer needs and analyzing the competition. Next, create a high-quality digital product, such as an ebook, template, online course, or software tool that solves a specific problem. Choose the right platform for selling, whether it's your own e-commerce site or marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad. Optimize your product listings with descriptive titles and relevant keywords to enhance visibility for potential customers. Implement diverse marketing strategies, including content marketing, email campaigns, and social media engagement to drive traffic and boost sales. Design a professional customer experience with a clear onboarding process, efficient delivery methods, and thoughtful follow-up strategies. Conduct market research to determine competitive pricing, considering audience affordability and the value your digital product delivers. Platforms like Etsy are ideal for digital art and templates, while Gumroad suits creators needing simple setups for downloads and memberships. Shopify is excellent for dedicated e-commerce websites, and Teachable or Thinkific are specifically designed for selling online courses. Many digital product ventures fail due to a lack of market research, creating products without validating demand. Ignoring user feedback and neglecting insights can lead to products that don't align with actual user needs. Inadequate marketing and failing to promote the product effectively are common pitfalls that prevent traction. To succeed, validate your ideas by sharing related content and observing engagement before investing significant time and resources. Building an email list is crucial for market research, nurturing leads, and ultimately driving sales. Create a product ladder, offering a range of products at different price points to cater to a wider audience. Earnings from digital products vary based on pricing, audience size, and your specific business model. For example, selling digital products at $250 each to an audience of 1,000 with a 2% conversion rate can yield $5,000. Digital products offer passive income as they can be sold repeatedly without incurring additional costs once created. Key benefits include low startup costs, high scalability, and excellent profit margins due to no inventory or shipping needs. Develop comprehensive marketing strategies tailored to your audience and product type, utilizing content, email, and social media. By following these guidelines, aspiring entrepreneurs can significantly increase their chances of success, potential, and high recommended in the dynamic world of digital product creation and sales. Looking for a flexible way to earn extra income from home? Turn your organizational skills into a profitable side hustle, helping others succeed in their studies. Convert study notes into digital flashcards using platforms like Anki and Quizlet. Many students struggle to create effective study materials. Your expertise can make a difference. Anki and Quizlet are leading flashcard applications known for advanced learning techniques like spaced repetition. Anki is highly customizable, ideal for long-term learning through its intelligent spaced repetition algorithm. Quizlet offers a simpler, collaborative experience with various study modes and gamification features. No prior experience is necessary. Learn this skill through online tutorials and official documentation. Practice by converting your own notes or free online content into flashcards to hone your craft. Effective flashcard design is crucial. Keep information concise, one idea per card, and use active recall as questions. Incorporate visuals and mnemonics to enhance memorability for your clients. Find work on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized sites such as studentfreelance.com. Create compelling profiles showcasing your expertise with Anki and Quizlet. Search for keywords like flashcard creation or Anki flashcards to discover projects. Offer services directly to students through university bulletin boards or online student groups. Earning potential ranges from $10 to $30 plus per hour, depending on complexity and demand. Flashcard complexity, client deadlines, and your freelancer rating influence your income. Consistency is key. Regularly check platforms for opportunities and dedicate time to projects. Build a strong portfolio with sample flashcard sets to attract clients. Market your services effectively on social media and student forums. Deliver accurate, well-designed, and effective flashcards to maintain a stellar reputation. Maintain clear and prompt communication with clients for satisfaction and long-term relationships. Be adaptable, willing to learn new subjects, and responsive to client needs and feedback. Poor quality, lack of communication, and unrealistic expectations are common reasons for failure. Ignoring feedback and inconsistency can hinder your progress and success. Start learning Anki and Quizlet today, create your profile, and begin offering your services. Unlock a flexible, home-based side hustle with excellent earning potential by transforming study notes into digital flashcards. Turn your study skills into a profitable and high-paying side hustle and achieve financial freedom. Want to make money from home and turn your skills into a profitable online business? This video guides you through starting a lucrative side hustle selling resume and Notion templates, a market with increasing demand. Resume templates are crucial for job seekers, offering a professional, visually appealing format that stands out. Notion templates are pre-designed pages that help organize lives and work, saving significant time and effort. This side hustle is appealing due to low startup costs, passive income potential, and work flexibility. It's a scalable business model with global market access, reaching diverse customers through platforms like Etsy. For resume templates, you will need knowledge of formats, design trends, and proficiency in software like Microsoft Word, Canva, or Adobe InDesign. For Notion templates, understanding Notion's features and strong design skills for user-friendly layouts are key. First, define your niche and target audience, whether it's specific industries for resumes or productivity for Notion templates. Next, research current trends and design templates that are visually appealing, easy to use, and highly customizable. Build a diverse portfolio, then choose platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to sell your creations. Set competitive pricing, offer bundles, and provide detailed product descriptions with high-quality images to attract buyers. Market your templates using social media, hashtags, video tutorials, and by engaging in online communities. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and the Notion Template Gallery offer large customer bases and established trust. For more control, consider e-commerce platforms like Gumroad, Selfie, or building your own website with Bullet.so. Earning potential varies, but creators like Nick Lafferty and Islo have earned tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars from template sales. Avoid overcomplicating your setup. Start simple and automate repetitive tasks to save time. Maintain a consistent workflow, standardize processes with templates, and focus on solving one problem at a time to build a scalable system. Always provide adequate training and support for clients, and actively seek feedback on lost proposals to continuously improve. To succeed, identify a clear problem your templates solve, create high-quality designs, and offer excellent customer support. Continuously update your designs, utilize media channels for distribution, and engage with communities to keep your offerings fresh and relevant. With creativity, strategic marketing, and unwavering dedication, you can achieve significant, profitable, and valuable success in the resume and Notion template side hustle. Are you a designer or developer looking for a flexible way to earn extra income? Discover the lucrative world of portfolio audits, a side hustle gaining significant traction. A portfolio audit involves providing expert feedback and constructive criticism on a designer's or developer's online portfolio. You'll help clients identify weaknesses, suggest improvements, and optimize their presentation to attract better opportunities. To master this skill, immerse yourself in top-tier portfolios from industry leaders, analyzing their structure, content, and overall impact. Online courses and workshops specializing in UX/UI review, content strategy, and personal branding can also provide structured learning paths. Begin by refining your own portfolio to showcase your expertise and attention to detail, making it a prime example of what you offer. Next, define clear service packages, outlining what each audit includes, your turnaround time, and pricing tiers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding your first clients, offering a broad reach to freelancers worldwide. LinkedIn is another powerful tool for networking and directly connecting with potential clients in your niche. Realistic earning potential for a portfolio audit can range from $50 to $300 per audit, depending on your experience and the depth of your review. With consistent effort and a growing reputation, experienced auditors can command even higher rates. Common reasons for failure include a lack of clear communication, inconsistent quality, and neglecting client feedback. To succeed, prioritize clear, actionable feedback, maintain high standards, and actively seek testimonials to build trust. Continuously refine your audit process and stay updated with industry trends to offer cutting-edge advice. Embrace this valuable and profitable side hustle with dedication, and you'll not only boost your income, but also empower fellow creatives to achieve their career goals. Are you tired of old side hustles? Unlock new income streams right from your home. Discover lucrative micro-niches, such as remote exam proctoring opportunities. Dive into digital product creation, turning your innovative ideas into passive income. Convert your study notes into valuable flashcards for students to use. Launch a professional resume or useful Notion template business online today. Offer portfolio audits for designers, providing them with expert reviews. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell now.